Join the
For more
fucking game.
information, visit
I'll go. We'll go first.
San Jose. The San Jose Earthquakes, Cosmopolitan Catering, and Team Coalition thank all of our designated drivers, Quake supporters who choose not to drink alcohol at the game, and to ensure a safe ride home for their group. Designated drivers receive a free non-alcoholic beverage, courtesy of Cosmopolitan Catering.
So I brought this girl. She's the badass lock here, bro. Like,
You're the bad leg. You're the problem. You're the one. Yeah.
you are the
Bad leg.
Yeah, pasado. How you say sal?
Huh?
Like bad fucking luck is like sal. Mucho sal.
Salado.
Salado.
Mucho sal.
Mucho sal.
Salado.
Hey, it's only 1 point. 1 point to go, and then they're gonna be even.
Like, oh, he's ready.
Look, it's 0-1 right now.
Yeah, they going.
They better be able to win that. They're the Earthquakes. Come on.
Come on. Terremotos. Hey, you know, we're at the Chino Parade.
Damn, there's even girls in there doing that?
We out here in Hong Kong. Like, we're doing this shit live, China.
Look at the chinita with the pink. She go.
We're out here in Beijing. We're out here doing the live, you feel me? Like this shit, we're out here in Asia. Doing it.
And the chinita with the green.
Hey, first Honduran doing it, you feel me? El primer hondureño en Asia haciendo lo que hacemos. Saludos a Chepe.
Free Chepe, free my husband.
Okay,
Cut.
take two.
Damn, I already did 3 minutes. That's enough of that.